bakit napaka-importante to avoid lies every time you speak, every time you take an action? Because if you lie, yung trust ng tao sa'yo, imbis na grabe yung paniniwala niya sa'yo, grabe yung tiwala niya sa'yo, pero at one time nalaman niya na nagsisinungaling ka, doon magsisimulang mawala yung tiwala niya sa'yo. Kaya be careful every time you speak, every time you talk, every time you take an action. Make it clear that it's the reality, so that yung trust ng tao sa'yo will stay forever. So, avoid saying lies because yung trust ng tao mawawala sa'yo. So, if you want to be trusted, take action clearly, and if you speak, if you talk, make sure that it's real, it's not a lie. Yun lang, and have a great day. And paki-follow na din or subscribe for more videos, and ma-update ka din sa mga i-upload ko in this channel.